In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google account and save it using the Accounts and Apps section. By the end, you'll have your account linked properly and your settings safely stored so everything works smoothly. First, open Settings from the left side of your screen. This is typically located in the main sidebar, often marked with a gear icon. Settings is where you control how the tool behaves, so it's the right place to start when you're adding or managing integrations. Next, go to the Connect section. This area is designed for linking external services and keeping your workflow unified. If you want your Google tools to work seamlessly here, Connect is where that happens. Within Connect, click on Account and Apps. This page gathers all the integrations in one spot, so you can see what's already linked and add new connections. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the correct page. You should see options related to accounts and authorized apps. Now, look to the right side and click Add Account. The button is usually positioned toward the top right area of the page. If your window is small, you may need to scroll slightly to find it, but it will be on the right. Clicking Add Account starts the process of linking a new service. From the options presented, click Connect with Google. This uses Google's secure sign-in flow, so you're authorizing access through Google's own system. It's normal to see a brief prompt explaining what permissions are being requested, and this is part of keeping your data protected. When you're presented with the prompt, click Continue. This confirms that you agree to proceed with the connection. You may see Google's familiar consent screen or a confirmation message from the app. Either way, Continue is the action that moves things forward. You'll then click Continue again. Sometimes there's a second confirmation to finalize the authorization, especially when you're granting access across more than one Google service. Simply confirm again to complete the handshake between your account and the app. Finally, click Save. This step locks in the connection so it persists after you leave the page. Many people forget this part and then wonder why the integration didn't stick. So make sure to hit Save before you navigate away. After saving, you should see your Google account listed among your connected accounts, which is a good sign everything is set. That's it. You've gone from Settings to Connect, added your account, connected with Google, confirmed the prompts, and saved your changes. You're ready to use your